এসএসসি স্যার একটু মাছটা খুলুন প্লিজ। কেউ জানে না তো আপনাকে এখনো, আমার চ্যানেলে তো অ্যাটলিস্ট জানে না।
হ্যাঁ, আগে তো এই চ্যানেলে কোনোদিন আসেনি আগে।
দিস ইজ সৌম্য স্নিগ্ধ, তারপরে কি ভাই চ্যাটার্জি। ও
সেটা অনেকে জানে।
সৌম্য স্নিগ্ধ চক্রবর্তী, ইউ ডোন্ট নো হিম বাট দিস গাই ইজ আ ফেমাস, very famous guy.
হ্যাঁ, হয়েছে। Is it the intro to SSC, sir?
Yes, the intro to SSC. So you can go and check out his Instagram, Facebook. I'll link them both below. But I have an extremely long day, but I'm really hoping to make it a very nice day. রনিত, এসএসসির ব্যাপারে কি তুই একটুখানি দিবি ইন্ট্রো? হু ইজ হি এন্ড এভরিথিং? So SSC here is a dancer, actor.
Hello.
Back to the point. SSC here is a dancer, actor, football player, very fast sprinter, cricketer. He is quite a nice cricketer as well. He creates his own contents on Facebook, Instagram. You can check them out. He's there on YouTube as well. I'll link everything down below.
Why? Why?
Like আমাদের আজকে যা যা প্ল্যান আছে, মোস্ট অফ দ্য টাইম এসএসসি কে ক্যামেরাটা দিয়ে দেবো। You can make your own thing.
Blue is the color. Football is the game.
So I'm here with all my school friends, and that's how most of the time we play football. You wanna have a bite of the entire thing that you're gonna do today.
Nice. Hey, no, sorry, bhai, sorry, la. Easy, my hand,
I wanna learn to appreciate the space that I made. When I move a little slower than everyone else.
My mistake.
Only when I remember stuff from my past life. I'll run up a hill faster than everyone else. And it'll be easy.
Started boarding again, and we are winning right now. This is Shamik, that's Obro, that's Neham, Tuhin, Aruni. I won't be able to name every one of them. There's a main man, Adri Sarkar. Yeah, sorry, throw. This is our Garibo ka Digia or Devargo. We call him Digia only. That's our go. He's the boss. We have so many bosses around. SSC, Orgo, and that's the. Can't even tell you how much it's raining right now. It's cool if it's raining, but this is like too much. Goal guard! Fuck Rohit! That's Rohit, by the way. England fan, Chelsea fan.
Yup.
They are losing right now. I think they will lose the entire match.
We're drenched completely.
Totally drenched. His name is Oristro. Everyone belongs from the same school and we are like good friends.
Shoot!
Suddenly it stopped raining again. The match, however, is in full tempo right now. What goal করেছিস? কটা গোল করেছিস? ভুলে গেছিস নাকি এত গোল করেছিস?
I don't wanna stop bothering you with my projections. Can't stop running, running, running. I was up before the sun was rising. This is still my favorite part of the mountain. I could feel the rocks beneath my feet warming. I can hear you on the other side calling.
আচ্ছা নাইস রোহিত
যাও পাই যাও শট দে ও লাভলে
লিভ
রান্না
আবার রাখ How was the match and how was the experience?
এই জার্সি পরলে এরকমই খেলা হবে আজকে কি জার্সি পরে খেলেনি জার্সি পরে খেলেনি এই জার্সি পরে এসেছে তো ও আসার জন্য জার্সি এই জার্সি পরে এসেছে বলে এমনি খেলেছে এরকম একটা জার্সি পরে কেন খেলবো আমি
So the football match is actually over. The place, it's near University of Engineering and Management, UEM college. জায়গাটার নাম কি রে? এটা?
নিউটাউন লোকেশন নিউটাউন টাইগার
So it's Shapurji. It's near Shapurji. Name of the turf is Turf Air Plaza. So if you guys want to come and play football sometimes, The turf is nice, on a very good location actually. That's where the turf is. So you basically play just above the first floor. The game is over, we lost by 1 goal. But my day is not over, I have a lot of other things to do. It's just that I wanted to make the most of this Sunday. Haven't been out in a long time. Have missed a lot of things, and on Sunday I really wanted to do everything that I hope or I planned on doing. Started with a bike ride, then a football match, and I have some other things to do.
He was a man. He would know.
All nice and freshened up. I don't know why I'm so excited, but then I'll get to have some nice coffee today and also have some nice food. So that is why I'm so excited. Weather is looking really, really nice. It's 2:45 in the afternoon right now, and the day started early, but I'm getting to do all the fun things today. You know, early morning ride, then some crazy football for very long. Like we played for 2 hours today, and that also in a very good location. Right now I'm getting to drive. I'll get some good food, good coffee, and then I'll be meeting Ankita. So all in all, I'm having a very good day after a very long time. It's like I've missed these days, you know. So I came to Lake Gardens because me and Ankita, we both are craving some good momos. And that's the best place I can think of when it comes to momos. If you like momos and if this is the place you need to be, this is where I have been coming for the past 9 years, 8 or 9 years I believe, and they have never disappointed, ever. Come here to try the pepper sriracha fish. Their momo and bao are extraordinary. I like the pork steam momo more than the chicken, but then you can like try the chicken momo as well. French press from 8 Day. That's what I really need right now. A very nice French press coffee. I haven't had French press coffee in like 2 months. For the past 2 months I didn't have French press coffee. That also from 8 Day. So it's nice. All good things today, all nice things today. Getting to experience all the good things today. All set, all good. Got my food, got my coffee. Really need to rush right now because it's getting late. It's almost 3:30 right now. So maybe I'll catch you on the road or maybe I'll catch you at the end of the video.